transmission for BMW SMG. So we got this clutch out now, and clutch is done, it's worn out. The car will not move. This is the first clutch on this. The secondary clutch is inside. That clutch is shattered inside. The one inside, so it's got dual clutch on this thing, and inside it got some pieces fallen out of it. Look at them pieces. It's shattered. Inside is shattered, and all them pieces. Well, so inside is all broken up into pieces, and it will not grab, it will not shift, it will just stay in idling. And inside, we can't take this apart to check it, but so it is. It's all messed up inside. It's broken. So anyway, this is what it is. So if you have a BMW who's got a SMG transmission in it, and if you put it in first gear to drive, the car will not move, and the limp mode will come on. There's a bunch of codes will pop up on the dashboard, and and put in second gear, third gear, and the car won't move, and it smells really bad outside, like a clutch burning smell type of thing. And if you have those symptoms, that's what it is. The clutch is messed up. So first thing first, replace the clutch, and then worry about the rest of the electronics later. This one is really nice and clean. There's no oil leak on the mechanism here, the hydraulic mechanism. This is what does all the shifting and stuff like that for you. And I'm gonna check the oil on this thing, make sure there's enough oil in this here, hydraulic fluid. And we're gonna replace the bearing, throw out bearing inside, and it moves nice. It needs to be changed, but make sure you inspect this lip right here. This lip is replaceable. It looks good on this one, and this is the first clutch job on this car. It's got an original BMW clutch in it, just like doing a regular clutch job on a regular transmission, on a regular manual transmission. It's the same exact way you do it. There's nothing different about it. And yeah, that's about it. All right, thanks for watching. Ozzy's Auto Repair here. We'll just fix this car up, put the clutch in, same day, no hassle, and fourth gear shifts nicely, downshift. No jerk, nothing. After you replace this clutch, one more thing, we have to calibrate it. So you need a proper scan tool to get in there and reset the clutch values and reset the transmission values and everything like that, so you don't have harsh shifting. So I don't want to rip it here. This car came from Texas, and he watched our video with the first one that we did, and he dropped this car off. He bought this car from Texas and bought it used, and they lied to him. They told him, oh, it needs a transmission or fluid, and that's why it won't drive. And he told it to some guy in Brooklyn, and some guy in Brooklyn, Bronx, told him that, oh, it needs a new transmission. The transmission is shot. And so he watched the videos, and he found me, and he called me, and I told him definitely not. It does not need a new transmission. It needs a new clutch. That was the problem. The symptoms that he was having were no clutch engagement. That was the symptoms. So he replaced the clutch. You saw the clutch was shot, burnt. now the thing drives like a champ, man. It drives brand new. Look at that. 5th gear, 6th gear, no noise, nothing. Let's do 7. Yep, that's like having a hard time right now. Yeah, drop that down. Let's rip it. There you go. That's what I'm talking about right there. And now you can do is you can go straight to drive and just let it do its own thing. Let it shift down by itself and just let it drive like an automatic car. That's why this is an SMG, either manual or you can just have it on drive and just eat your burger at the same time while you're driving. There's no shifting involved. It's in 1st gear right now. See on the dash, 1st gear. And thank you for watching. And please subscribe, like my videos, share if you can. Appreciate it. And I don't do much videos here and there. If I get, cars come to me with big problems and you guys out there need help, I try to make videos so you guys don't get ripped off and taken it to, these independent shops that don't know what they're doing. Just, give me a call if you guys have any issues. I, can help you guys anytime. Thank you for watching. Ozzy's Auto Repair here in Wyckoff, New Jersey.